So today we are on the 2018 Hyundai Tucson and we are looking at the fuel pressure sensors in the vehicle. So here's our wiring diagram with our first fuel pressure sensors, and it, you can see, will connect over into the fuel pump control module, which we can follow these lines. Some of them over to the PCM, like the signal and the fuel sender, and then another one up to the fuse block here. We can also see all the injectors here that all have a common color of blue and pink. Those will all connect over into the injector control module within the PCM.
Like a smart fellow or like a sharp fellow? Wait.
You can also see that these will connect into the fuel tank pressure sensor here and over into the instrument cluster and into the PCM again.
So now we connected a scan tool here to see the PIS here. Now we're gonna pull out the fuel pump fuse to see the reading changes here, so we can start to put it out. Okay, the fuse is out. Looks like nothing changes here.
Okay, so with the fuse unplugged, started the timer when we unplugged it, and as you can see, it's almost 2 minutes and the vehicle has just died. Perfect timing. Okay, so we're back on the 2018 Hyundai Tucson, and we're looking at the connector view for C200-AA. So then, if you look here, this is the exact replica of what we see on the schematic. So first, we're looking at injector 1, which we read 1.8 ohms. Then we'll move on to injector 2. And you'll see that we also get 1.8 ohms. Injector 3. .8, 1.9, and finally injector 4, back to 1.8 ohms, which, if we look back in all data, we look at the injector coil resistance, 1.5 is their specification. Now we are on a 2006 Corolla, and here's our wiring diagram for the cylinder, for the injectors. You can see that all of them have a wire that goes into the PCM, and then a spliced wire for all of them that will travel over into the ignition switch, and another one that also goes into the instrument panel. If we back up a little bit, you'll also see that they go into ignition coils. We're back on the 2006 Corolla, and we're going to be doing voltage at for the PCM wires. So we'll start here, and if I could pin correctly, get a reading of 12.6, 12.7. Second one, 12.6, 12.7. Third one. Again, 12.6, 12.7. And then our final injector will also be 12.6, 12.7, because these are all going to the PCM, so they're powered.
Now we measure the voltage drop of the injector, and we start the car at idle. We see the reading from 0.1 to 0.3 volts, and we think the reading should be constant, but it's jumping around from 0.1 to 0.3. Okay. Now we are still testing the voltage drop of the injector, and we turn on the average function to read a constant voltage reading here. It's around 0.2 voltage.